The management profession is a profession which is desired by many workers across many different industries. Like many other professions, it is associated with status, prestige, control, wealth, achievement, respect, well, many positive things. However, one must realize that at its core, management is not like other professions. It is unique among the professions. What constitutes this difference is the nature of their activities, or what they have to deal with on a daily basis. It differs to the kind of things that other professionals have to deal with. The concepts which managers deal with include things such as freedom, powerlessness, insecurity, respect, and conflict. Quite a surprising list. So, let's think about the first concept, freedom. Does a manager have freedom? Well, if they are in the middle of a hierarchy, one in which they must follow rules, orders, and regulations, then they are more restricted than they are free. Second, managers are sometimes dealing with powerlessness. You see, there are various new and modern leadership working structures, such as collective leadership, and these kind of things can make managers feel, well, powerless. Third, is a manager insecure? Well, it is difficult to be secure in oneself if the nature of the decision-making means that one has to constantly assess, control, and deal with risk. Fourth, this one's also surprising, but managers have less respect than they used to have. In modern times, the new generation seems to be more against the idea of authority than previous generations. This means that the managers do not always receive as much respect as they deserve, or as much as previous generations received. Fifth, managers deal with conflicts. Managers are often forced into dealing with others' conflicts rather than their own. As you can see, managers have unique circumstances among the professionals, and they must deal with and solve psychological challenges.